Start back. OC now. We respect them. OC now. We're going to hit shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate lang. Hit the gate. Wala nang cleric to ah. Talagang shield. Hold. Keep passing. Def now. Good soak, boys. Good soak. Sige lang, keep passing. Good soak yan. We need to soak one more engage, boys ah. Hold. Just spread outside. Bibait lang natin. Hold, D-tanks come inside them. D-tanks only. Hold, ready your potions ah. Hold. Ay, nila mag-engage. Hold. Actually, walk in na nga. Walk in, ready defensives ah. Walk in, ready potions ah. Sige lang, walk in and spread. I'm gonna mark the healers. Okay, we're going to engage shallow ah. Shallow southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Then brawl. Spread. Def now. Okay, we soak. Spread. Drop demon. Drop Judy's. Come northeast. We need to stabilize. Come east. Out. Come east. Come southeast. Stabilize. Okay, hold. We're going to look on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2. Shallow now. Inside. Drop your east. Then come southeast. Keep walking southeast. We're still good, boys. Def north. Come south. Sige lang, stabilize. We're kiting a bit. Hold. Okay, hold. 4 seconds, boys. Okay, northwest, boys. Northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, on the choke, in 2, in 1, northwest, hit the shit. Okay, come back now. Good hit. Almost. Come back southeast.
Looking.
Cleanses. Def now. Judy, I drop Judy. Okay, walk northwest, boys. Walk northwest. Sige lang, walk northwest. Hold them. On the choke, ready on the choke. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. It's everyone. Hit this shit. Okay, come back southeast. Nasta pa kayo. Come back southeast. Keep walking southeast, boys. Do not go deep. Okay, hold. Try nga natin over the wall. Taas out agad ah. Hold. Okay, hold. Okay, over the wall ah. Hold. Def now. Okay, shadow inside in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Inside. Hit the shit. Then come southeast. Actually, brawl nyo konti. Brawl shallow. Hindi na sumibes ata na. Kahit ito. Stabilize Hilson West. We will try to headbutt, boys. Sasabayan natin, boys. We're going to headbutt. Ready. Hold. Just spread a bit. Hold. Okay, headbutt in 3, in 2, in 1. Headbutt now. Hit this shit. Good hit, boys. Good hit. Okay, keep rolling. Out. Come west, boys. Push in a bit. Hold. They might look, ready potions They might look. Find the healers. I marked one healer. I marked Def now. Oh, no, not yet. Spread. Take southeast space. Southeast. We're going to headbutt again now. Hold. Bantay din ang headbutt. Yung color nila, I marked their color Hold. Keep rolling. Look for close. Wala nang money healers nila. Hold. Okay, look northwest in 5. Northwest in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Northwest now. Hit the shit. Then brawl. Good hit, boys. Then spread. Def now. Good soak, boys. Then spread. We're good. Demon well brawling. Hilson LLL. Hilson barcode. We're good. We're fucking good, boys. Mauna tayo 5 seconds 5 seconds on the middle Hold. Actually, northwest. May healers on northwest in 5. Hold. West. Look west in 4. Actually, east na lang in 3, in 2, in 1. Inside now. Hit this shit. Then brawl. Spread and brawl. Ready potions. Potion now. Potion. 3 healers. We're good. We're still good. Keep healing. I'm gonna fake next time. I'm gonna fake next time. Hold.
One more healer up.
Okay, okay. Hold on, he's on dark side. Okay, nice. We're going, faking. Okay, okay, nag-bait sila. After the crown, on the crown, in 5, in 4, in 3, hold, in 2, 1. Hit the crown now, hit the crown. Good hit, boys. Good hit, then roll. Nadali sa fake. Keep rolling, low na to. Spread the beat. Nadali sa fake. Drop Judy. Spread Judy. Nadali sa fake. Sige lang, spread. Okay, we're going to hit West, West on the choke, in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke now. Hit the crown. We're good. Two healers. They have trap, Hold, spread. We're 2 clumps up. Spread, boys, spread. Hold. Spread kayo, putang ina. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're going to hit West, West, I'm gonna fake again. I'm gonna fake West. Hold. Faking. Okay, look on the center. In 5, on the crown. In 4, in 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Good hit, boys. Yeah, then brawl. Spread and brawl. Dropping
Also 1 me healer.
Okay. Dropping Judy. Play on the Judy.
Hey, going up.
Okay, catch southwest. Drop your, on the choke, in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. TTC. Hilson leap. Lips ka na, die. Potion, leap. Kaya pa nila. Come northeast.
May kanan dyan.
Come north. Pila. Regear ba to?
Wait.
Hold. Okay, hold. I'm gonna fake southeast. Okay, hit southeast, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the crown now. That now. Potion. Okay, then brawl. We're good. We're 2 DPS. Hold. Sige lang. Out. Come east. Out the shortcut. Dali tayo sa habol sa shortcut. Ay, sa Lord.
May kanan din, tapos elite guards.
Ano na tayo.
Mali yung palpas. Tapos 2 healers lang kayo.
Sumabay yung guards, no? I mean, good content.